Well, what's up everybody? Chris Gault here, Healthy Living with Chris Gault, and you are now on day 21. You are cruising through this 5K program. You're looking sharp, you're looking good. Let's get going. All right. Like I said, day 21. You guys are doing fantastic. I'm really proud of everybody. And I'm just going to hint, today's a rest day, but we got Coach Robin here, and she's got a message for you. Make sure you watch the whole video, and that way you really get the best knowledge for getting through this 5K program. So, here's Robin.
Hey guys, it's Sunday. Great job yesterday on your long run and walk. You guys did a really good job. That was a good workout. So you earned your rest day today. So you could do what you want. Just again, a couple reminders. You can rest, or you could do an upper body workout, or you could do some yoga. I showed you lots of good options on YouTube for yoga routines for runners, or stretch routines for runners, or just some upper body workouts. So choose what you want to do, one of those, or rest. Let's just not work out our legs today. Let's save those for tomorrow, where our routine will change again, and I will post that in the comments below so you know what we have coming up this week. So have a great Sunday, and I'll see you tomorrow.
Well, I just want to say fantastic job again, everybody. And if you're digging this program, give it a thumbs up. That really means a lot to us. It means that, what we're putting out is actually something that's useful. Also, put in the comments below what you like about the program, what you don't like about the program. You're not going to hurt our feelings, so go ahead and pop it in there. Just tell us how you're doing on it. Are you doing well? Are you if you have any injuries too, we might be able to help you with that. Just let us know in the comments below what's going on with you all. We'd love to hear from you. And also remember to subscribe to the channel. That means the world to us. And that way we can continue to get videos out there, and you can be notified when those videos are out there for you. And the channel, as you know, is all about healthy living. So the 5K program is one part of it, but then there's a bunch of healthy, just overall tips and all sorts of stuff. So healthy eating, all that kind of stuff. So make sure you subscribe, and that way you'll get those great videos coming up and every week. So anyway, until tomorrow is day 22. It is a workout day, so get ready, rest up, and we'll be ready for you. See you tomorrow. If you like this video, please click on the thumbs up button, and also please subscribe and click on the notification button to get all this great content that's coming up every week. Thank you.